So what kind of business can be approved by the state government? What is considered innovation? And we have been mentioned and discussed quite a lot about national innovation visa. Under national innovation visa, it has 3 categories. One is distinct talent visa, another one is global talent, and third one is that investment visa, right? They don't call investment, call national innovation as a whole, but they have 3 categories. Under the investment visa, you may imagine that they have quite a lot allocation to investors in entrepreneurs. It doesn't include any threshold. Okay, the requirement is not invest 2 million, I'll give you permanent residency. No, it's not about threshold. It's not amount of investment you bring in. It's really about who you are. You know who you are. What did you do in the past? And how much economic impact you're gonna make to us. Not how much money you bring to us right now. Of course, you imagine that's really depending on the outcome, the impact. So if you invest into a startup, a software development company or AI company, maybe your investment $500,000 or $1 million, it's sufficient enough for the company to go on to the go-to-market strategy. I mean, maybe this is the case. Mostly it's not enough. But the focus is not about the amount of investment you bring, but the amount of impact you're gonna bring to the economy. And how do we determine that? I think mostly we use the human, we use the common sense to determine that. If you, for instance, if you say I want a coffee shop, I want a restaurant, how much impact are you gonna make? Not a lot, because you're gonna probably take someone out of the jobs, right? If you, however, we're gonna build 1,000 coffee shop in 1 year time, is that going to make an impact? Yes, you're gonna create or share brands, right? Like Starbucks. So this is impact, right? Or you make a product that you can sell globally. That's the economic impact. And imagine this way. When we consider impacts, we consider if we have a VC waiting for you, will they invest into you? If they don't invest into you, maybe you don't going to make an impact at all. Thinking about how much likely for the project itself, how much you're going to attract external investors come into you. Okay, how much likely they're gonna scale. So scalability, this is key requirement of what we're thinking about. Now, if the things that business can be scaled, this is most likely this is an innovative project. Because if non-innovative, that's hardly to be able to scale. Okay, you must do something different. You must do something that is critical to the economic growth. Things maybe not necessarily helping in any sectors, necessarily focus on the criteria or sectors that we mentioned previously about, or is that just my area is not within of 10 sectors? Is that all right? My answer to this, it's 100%. Okay, that 10 sectors, of course, it's what we need the most. But you surely understand that in our society, that's more occupations create every single day, every single year. More occupation, more companies build up very quickly. Some of the shining objects are already gone by time. If we have something that's significant happening in the future, then we might have a complete new industry. So in terms of your investment in industries, they do not have to within the 10 sectors. It can be outside the 10 sectors. As long as you convince most criteria is that you're gonna make a significant economic impact. Significant economic impact, including you'll be able to bring a lot of investment into startup companies. A lot. Okay, when I'm saying a lot, it's millions, billions external investor into Australia. You're gonna create jobs, continue to create jobs, more expand your company exponentially. Okay, things like you're gonna help us to save a lot of energies. That can be a reason too. So comparing that, you may imagine that cases sometimes very subjective. You do require professional working that to prove to help you to polish, to position your case, and to do it well. But my idea is really not, most times when you present a case, it's not going to the one-man band. You require lots of professional support from various sectors. Now, I hope this one helps you. Do not forget to subscribe our channel, leave comment below, or contact us by the contact form or book appointment with us. Bye.